Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set limit order on eToro web browser. So log in to your account, then search for the stock, crypto or commodity you want to trade. So let's say I will select here my Bitcoin. Now what we need to do, click on the trade button, so which is top right corner, big one green, so click on it, just like that. Now what we will do is, so now what we are going to do, you will see here order type, so we will change that to the limit order, like that. Okay, so obviously it is that we need to put in the amount which we want to trade, so let's say 100. Now we can also set the limit here, so I don't know, let's say 75 or 70. Oops, not that way. So 70,000, and then yeah, this is our limit order. Then what we can also do, this is pretty much it. Then if we have enough amount here, we can just press buy or trade. If you don't have it, you will need to deposit first, and then you can place an order. And this is pretty much how you can set limit order on eToro web browser. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.